Okay, we're assuming that you've already signed into your SendPepper Office Autopilot system. And in this video, we're going to discuss how to make simple copy changes on campaigns that are already built into your system. So you want to go ahead and click on the Autopilot tab, because this is where your campaigns are contained. And in this instance, we're going to make an edit on this particular campaign, New Home Quote. So you click on the edit button to the left. That's going to bring up your screens here. Now, these are your individual steps in your campaign. They can either be emails or postcards. And so what we want to do is we want to make an edit change on, let's work on this last email right here. So this is going to be sent 10 months after the initial prospect was added to the system. So we're going to click here. And then you notice the dates right there, 244 days after the previous step that you see listed right here. And this shows you where, what dates can be chosen. You can specify the approximate time that the system will be sent out. And now what we want to do is we want to concentrate on making a slight change here, and I'm going to share with you how to do that. So here's your email right here. Now let's say instead of saying hello, and then the prospect's name, we want to say good morning. So you simply click on the hello, and then go ahead and type in what you're going to need to place there. Add a comma mark. Check the rest of the document for accuracy. And there's one very important step that you need to take. You need to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you'll notice that there's two versions of this email. You need to go ahead and delete this version. So double click on one of the words and then hit select all. Then hit the delete button. Now the reason why you need to do that is because this will prevent you from making mistakes on the text copy. So you always want to have two versions of your email that's going to go out. One is an HTML document, which is what you see right here, and the other one is a simple text email in the event their email provider does not recognize HTML. Okay, so we've made the change up here in your HTML document by replacing hello with good morning and added a comma. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and simply click on this button right here, copy from HTML. And then it copies this to right here. Now the final step, the most important step, and if you fail to do this, you will have wasted any changes that you've made, is you need to come all the way down to the bottom and you need to click the Save Step. So you click right there. It's going to give you a spam score, which looks good. Hit Save Step, but you're not done yet. Scroll all the way to the top, and now you have to hit this final save button, which is going to save your sequence. So save sequence, and you're all finished. You've made a change on one of your campaigns. And so this will conclude this video on how to make simple changes on a campaign.